morning, Vlogmas. Good morning. What's up, y'all? I hope y'all doing good this morning. Yeah, look, I'm always doing something to my hair in the camera. But anyway, so I hope y'all doing good. Today is Monday, so you know I like to vlog on Mondays because that's my day off. So I hope you all are doing well. I am Mitchellette. Hey. So this morning I am about to go out and run. As I do my usual, run errands. Now, do y'all remember, listen, do y'all remember when I said that I wanted to get that red pillow in the previous video? So I think that I am going to get that red pillow. I really want it. And I'm going to show you later what it looks like on the couch because I feel like my couch is missing something and I feel like it needs, it's just a little shot of red and I wanted to, you know, look like something. You know what I mean? But anyway, so I'm going to at home today to see if that pillow is still there. If it's there, I may purchase it. And then I, of course, have to go to the bank as always. Y'all know my bank stories, staying in line for almost 30 minutes. You know I hate it. And then, look, I decided that I think for dinner, I think I want to have breakfast. Let me know if y'all have ever done that because I love breakfast for dinner. Am I the only one? So I think we're going to do like sausage, eggs. We're going to do some grits, bagels, and stuff like that. And I think that's going to be so good. It's for some reason, I don't know, do I have a different taste? Or is it the same? It does something else. It does something different in the evening. I know what I'm talking about. But anyway, so that's what we're going to do. And I think that's about it. I'm about to make me some coffee, y'all. It is 11 o'clock. And I'm going to have my coffee. You know how I am about my coffee. Let's just come out. But y'all stay tuned. I'm going to be taking y'all with me. We're going for a ride. Yes, we are. But, yeah. So I just want to give y'all a shout. Listen, y'all. Let me tell you. Let me get in here so y'all can see my face. Y'all, I am at 300 subscribers. Yes. So I want to thank each and every one of you for subscribing to my channel. I appreciate each and every one of you. So I thank you. I'm maybe doing a giveaway soon. Yep. Me doing a giveaway. So, But anyway, let me go ahead and have my coffee. And I'll get back with y'all soon. Hey, y'all. Yeah. So I'm about to head out. Show you what I got my little coat. Y'all, it is freezing out here. Like, freezing. I'm walking slow. Look. It's so cold. But yeah, we are on our way to at home. I'm gonna see if that pillow was there, and I'm going to check to see if they have that pillow. And I gotta run to the bank. So yeah, I don't know. Maybe I should have got my scarf. That wind is ain't no joke. Oof. All right. Yeah, home again. Yep. Yeah. Again, we are here. This don't make no sense, y'all. Don't talk about me. What did you say that these was, foxes?
They look like foxes. It's supposed to be deers.
What's those down here?
That's cute. Wood deers. That's cute.
Oh, those are nice.
Mm-hmm. That's like farmhouse stuff, huh?
Yep. I like those jingle pillows.
Look at who is that? Dixon? Who is that?
Look mean. Don't look mean, y'all. He looks so unhappy. He don't want to be sitting there.
Somebody violated him.
Oh, those are nice.
They are.
Oh.
Tree.
Oop. Kaboom.
Let's go.
Ooh. Yeah, they got Easter shit out. Ooh, stuff out. Yeah, they got Easter stuff out. Okay, let's go back that way. Y'all, seriously, Easter? They are not playing. So y'all, they got the pillows. I'm so excited. Look, we're just gonna get one because that's all we need. We don't need two.
Yeah.
So we're gonna pick out which one that we like. Then I'm gonna show y'all what else we purchased from at home. That looks like a good one.
Let me look at it real good.
I hope that music is not gonna be playing in the background. Yeah, we ended up at Gabe's. I don't know if you ever been there. This will be my first time going here, so I'm going and see what they have. So, yep, Gabe's. It is. Y'all, so we went in Gabe's and I found a nice rug. Get online. Actually, it was a fail altogether. Get online. Long line. Lady in front of me started coughing. No, ma'am. I'm out. Left. I left. I couldn't do it. My nerves was tore up. I know we all are wearing masks, but still, I still don't want to be behind nobody that's coughing. I'm good.
No.
And so I didn't even move up or nothing. I didn't want to be in her area. So now we are at Bath and Body Works because their hand soaps are $3.95. So I'm going in and check them out. So I'll be seeing y'all soon. Yes. See y'all later. We are in Walmart and we are getting our stuff for our breakfast dinner. Why? Why was he on my camera? Why was he in my camera? So we are getting I'll show you what we got when we get home because we're gonna be making a good breakfast dinner breakfast. Okay, let's see what she got. Y'all don't make no sense. All right, see you when we get to the house. What's up, everybody? I am back from the store. I am back. And so I'm excited. I'm going to show y'all what my pillow look like because I went ahead and got my pillow. Yeah, it's a party. But yeah, so I got my pillow. It's red. I really do like it. So I wanted to show you all. Plus, I want to show you all another some other things that I purchased while I was out today. So let me let y'all see. Look, y'all. Ooh, doesn't that look good? Look how that. It just makes it look so Christmassy. I'm gonna show you my pillow. We had a burgundy, like a reddish pillow there, but I wasn't happy with it. So I'm glad that we went ahead and got that red one. Cause look, y'all, doesn't that look nice? I'm excited. That looks so good. So the pillow that was there, I went ahead and put it in this basket right here. But isn't that nice? I'm really, really in love with it. I really like it. It seems very Christmassy to me. And then when you stand back and you look at it, it brings everything together. Just love it. Very nice. So that is that. So y'all tell me what y'all think because I really do like it. And it's perfect. Perfect. Okay, so now I am going to show you what we purchased while we were out. I went to Bath and Body and we went to the grocery store. So we did a grocery haul and Bath and Body. We were getting some other things, but when we got to the register, it's a long story. When we got to the register, some of the things wasn't priced right. It was just crazy. So I can show you what I did get from Bath and Body. You know, the hand soaps are $3.95 today. So I went ahead and purchased hand soap. So let me show you what I got. Okay, so I got this one. I really like the color of the bottle. It's Vanilla Snowflake. And I got You're the One. I like the color of that bottle as well, y'all. And then we got Winter Candy Apple, the white bottle. Most of these are Christmas hand soaps. Actually, all of them are. Because this one is Frosted Coconut Snowball. And then we got Winter. So I got all those, and those were $3.95. So these are going to be perfect because they match almost every room in the house. So that's going to be good. And so now I'm going to be showing you what we got from the grocery store. So look, y'all, look at all this. We are going to be having shrimp and grits and also making like bagels, sausage. I told y'all, look, I told y'all I wanted breakfast food for dinner. I told y'all that. So let me start from this end. So we got orange juice. We got Sunkist. We got the Sierra Mist. I really want to try that because it has like, I think it's cranberry. It's like a cranberry splash in it. And I love essential water. The smoked sausage, y'all. This has so much flavor. It's so much better than the regular beef smoked sausage by Hillshire Farm. This is so, so good. And then we have the shrimp. And then we have Italian style cheese, pink salmon fillets without the skin, so skinless. And then we have plain bagels, and then we have the everything bagels for our sandwiches. Yes, ma'am. And then we got our chicken broth, and I got a cucumber because I like to cut the cucumber up and just eat them, eat it just like that. And then we got some strawberries, and we went ahead and got some eggs because we didn't have any. Yeah. And then I got, now this butter right here, this garlic and herb butter by Land O'Lakes. This is so extreme. This is so hard to find. I think Walmart is the only place that sells it. I can't find it anywhere else. If I go to Target, they don't have it. If I go to Food Line, they don't have it. So I was glad that I went ahead and got 2 of those. And then we got some butter, salted. And we got some cinnamon muffins, y'all. Don't that look good? That'd be good with some coffee in the morning, won't it? And then we got, I gotta get my chocolate. Have you ever tried this with peanut butter on it? I know it's like a Reese cup, but I like to dip this in the peanut butter. Yeah. Don't judge me. And we got an onion and then we got a pepper. So, y'all, that is it. That is all we got. And I think I'm going to make this video part 1 because I also wanted you all to see what we have for dinner. I want you to see my how we cooking and everything. So I'm just gonna make this part 1, and then part 2 y'all will see tomorrow. So I'm gonna end the video here, y'all. And I thank y'all so much for watching my video. You know y'all the bomb. And again, look, y'all showed out. I got 300 subscribers. That's really, really good. Y'all on it. I thank y'all. Y'all are the bomb. But anyway, so I will see y'all tomorrow, and happy Vlogmas. Happy Vlogmas. Look at that. Look at that couch. Ooh, look at that. I like that. So nice. So nice. See y'all soon. Look, y'all, I'm back. I had to come back because I never got the chance to smell the hand soaps. But I have to tell y'all about one particular one that I have. Oh my God, it smells so good. You have to go out and get it. When I smelled it, I was like, I said, oh my God. So hold on one second. This one right here. That one, you got to run out and get it. I'm telling you, this smells so good. It's Vanilla Snowflake. You have to go. Oh my God, y'all. They all smell good, but this one right here, that one is the bomb. You gotta go out. But I wish I'd have got 2 or 3 more. I wish I'd have smelled this before I left the store. But this right here is everything. Ooh. All right. Thank y'all for watching. And don't forget to subscribe.